Welcome to the 2018-2019 course registration tutorial. This year, all 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students will have the opportunity to make course requests for this upcoming school year. In an effort to expedite the registration process, students will be logging into their fitting campus to enter their own course selection. All students must know their own username and password in order to complete the process. If students do not know this information, they can contact the middle school office. Students will not be able to use their parents' Evening Campus username and password. Step 1. Signatures. Students are asked to please enter their first full name and last name, parent's name and daytime phone, as well as parent's signature and date. A student cannot register unless a parent's signature is present on the form the day of registration. In this tutorial, we will be going over the registration form for this year's 7th grade students. These are the courses that they will have this upcoming year as incoming 8th grade students. Required core courses. Students will be automatically enrolled in the following courses: Math, Science, English, Social Studies, Physical Education, Career Pathways, and BEARS. Required exploratory courses. These courses will automatically be generated into the student's schedule: Art, STEM, Facts, Industrial Technology, Technology, and General Music. Step 2. Music courses. Students will have the option of selecting one or both of the following courses, which are band or choir. Students may also elect not to take a music option. If they choose to take band, choir, or both, they are asked to place a checkmark next to the appropriate course. If the student is going to take band for the first time, they are asked to place a check mark here. This information will be given to our band instructor, so he is aware of many incoming first-time band students he will have. Please note, make this selection carefully, as we will not be able to make any changes to your music selection after the registration process is completed. If changes are possible, they will only be allowed at semester time. Step 3. Elective courses. Students will have the ability to take the following courses in lieu of a music selection or opposite of a music selection. These courses run for one semester as a skinny. Students taking both music options, band and choir, will not select from the following. Students taking only one music option, band or choir, will rank all 5 according to preference, with 1 being highest and 5 being lowest. Students taking no music courses will rank all the following courses according to preference, with 1 being highest and 4 being lowest. We ask that all parents and students please take a moment to go to the course registration guide so they may familiarize themselves with these new courses. The middle school office will make every effort possible to ensure that all students receive the courses that they have selected. However, official schedules may not include all these courses if an intervention course needed or class size does not allow. If along the way you have questions pertaining to the registration process, please do not hesitate to contact the middle school office. We are making every effort possible to make this as smooth of a process as possible.